Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's Miss JENITA back again with more of the bulk food pantry organizing, cleaning, decluttering, rotating. As you can see, I am in front of a table in the hallway. I moved things from in the pantry area from the kitchen to under this table. I have a couple of boxes of Swipe ginger ale. I think I got these while they were on sale, cheaper than the price of soda is today. It's very expensive. I got my fettuccine over here. Some of the stuff is just upside down. I got some Denison's chili, and behind the Swipes is some mini cans of Coke. And here go some of these beans I was wanting to try for so long. The Bush's grilling beans. You only get 4 cans, and these things cost so much. I think it was $8, $9. They might be more now. Shoot, I don't know. They all right. I got a couple of boxes of Ritz crackers. One is open. The other one is up underneath there. It's upside down. We got some M&M's open. All the peanut M&M's, 8 out of it. The peanut butter ones are just as good. And it got caramel and the regular ones. You got peanuts, peanut butter, and caramel. The blue one is caramel. You know the chocolate one is just the regular mixed chocolate. Then the red one is the peanut butter. And the yellow one looks like the bag is peanuts. It was like 55 pieces in here. Yeah. What we got back here too? We also got some Dr. Pepper Zero back there. Dr. Pepper Zero is so good. It's just as good as Coke Zero. We also got some Dawn Power washes. 2 of those sitting back there, as you can see. I took one out, but it's 2 of those. I got my trash can liners. What is that? Some tea, zero sugar, iced tea, peach tea. That's good. Those are so good. And I got the Doyle. I believe those are peaches. And I got a box of mashed potatoes. It's more stuff behind there. I think it's more soda. Let's take a peek. Yeah, it's more soda back there. I had got this thing here. Any of y'all seen this? It's a glare on it. I'm trying to get it where it's the cast iron. It's a mini cast iron skillet to cook brownie. I believe it's some brownie mix in there too. I have never even opened it. When did I get this? I forgot. Doing around some holiday. Was it Christmas? But anyway, you guys ever seen one of those before? So, holler in the comments. So, yeah. I got stuff all over here that I need to straighten up. All up there. And, some of my little characters up there. Y'all see that kind of stuff on the crafting channel. Look at this cute little guy. I got him doing what? Thanksgiving? I guess. Christmas, Thanksgiving, one of them. So, okay. Some more stuff over there on the floor. I got a couple of bottles of those Suavitels, more scrubbing bubbles on the floor. But yeah, this area It's stocked up. Bunk pantry stocking. I know some people, I don't do any, now y'all know Miss JENITA don't do any kind of sort of, what you call it, jarring, canning. I don't do canning because I don't have room for canning. This place would be crazy if I tried to do canning. I ain't got no room as it is. Sharing with y'all all my little junk, my stuff. Don't call my food junk, Miss JENITA. I got 2 of these. Well, I got this memory mark, so that came from Sam's Club. So I have 2 of these hanging around. Probably got 4, because I bought these before. I'm gonna show y'all the next time, I guess, if I remember, inside the closet where I had all that stuff stocked up in there. I'm gonna see what I got in there now, what's going on in there now. It's probably just as crazy as every other area. And moving stuff. Oh shoot, and found my batteries. My husband was asking me to put some batteries in one of the remotes the other day, and here goes some right here. And I was thinking, I said, where I put the batteries at? And now I see when I move that soap, that's where the battery's at, where this hand soap was sitting. So, this is just more of Miss JENITA. Still situating stuff. Oh, it's President's Day. Here goes another one of my Swabatails. I was telling y'all, I got the blue one is right there. And here go, we had got these, I don't know, they was on sale at somebody's store. Maybe it was Food for Less, and I told my husband to get a few though. So we got some more Swabatail. Put these batteries back. I'm glad while I was cleaning up, I found out that I got more, what is it, more Lysol. My husband, he has been going through a lot of Lysol spraying and stuff. I know I showed y'all that on this table. These right here, let me show y'all. I'm gonna stop the tape. This sourdough bread, I ain't tried that yet. I cooked up a whole lot of my pie crust mix, but I haven't did the sourdough bread. I need to do that maybe today, because I'm cooking spaghetti. Me and my spaghetti. My husband, he gonna eat ribeye steaks today, and I want spaghetti. I'm gonna chop up all my vegetables, extra bell pepper, celery, and onions, and garlic. Miss JENITA, what about your smell and taste? Let me tell y'all, what is it, going on 4 months? What's up? The other day when I was making my apple pie, I could smell apple pie. My daughter, she had some perfume. I smelled that, and my head started hurting. But this mess, like I say, is on and off, on and off. Nothing is steady. So that's the after effects, the side effects of the virus. Y'all got any side effects? What y'all experience if you want to share? I was on this people's channel the other day, and the lady had a stroke, and they shared it on the video. I was telling my husband that's not the first time that lady had a stroke, and she been driving. Now she's saying in her video that she ain't able to drive, and I'm wondering, what, you know when your stroke's gonna come? Because it's dangerous for her to be driving if she having these strokes, because her and her husband was filming a video, right? And right in the middle of the video, she having a stroke. And I'm thinking, well, why are you sharing all this like that on the video, that's just what's so odd to me. And I'm thinking, is it for clicks and views? Why would you do that? I don't know how your I don't know. But it was weird to me. I know that ain't none of my business. I know what these folks do on their channel ain't none of my business, but sharing your stroke and actually right in the middle of it, and you filming this, and your husband is yelling, I'm almost done, and your husband yelling and stuff to the kids to get help, and she done bit her tongue, but this is not her first stroke. What is bothering me is ain't none of my business, but you driving, you've been going to the store, and you having all these strokes. It's dangerous, and you got this on video, and if you hurt somebody while you in the street and have a stroke driving, and somebody get, fatal injury or seriously hurt, and you knew you was having these strokes, but you keep driving, your doctor told us, all right, you can drive whatever. Who is gonna be at fault? What y'all think about this situation? If y'all know who I'm talking about, you can say so in the comments if you won't. But what if this lady driving and she had one of them strokes and somebody is fatally injured or hurt really bad, and she knew she was having strokes? They got it on video. People seeing all this on video. This is crazy to me. But I don't know. It's just something I just seen on YouTube. Y'all seen it, let me know if you want to share. But I'm done. This is another one of my pantry cleaning, pantry sharing videos. So I'm about to get out here. Y'all have a happy President's Day. Tell me what you're doing in your pantry. What are you stockpiling? Are you doing any bulk cooking? Are you doing any big batch cooking? Share it in the video. I'm gonna show y'all my apple pie I made. Miss JENITA in the kitchen making apple pie. I'm using Pillsbury pie crust today. The glare off of there. Yep. Apple pie. Oh, don't mind those Cheerios. Honey nut, by the way. Okay, so I'm gonna get this pie in the oven, and thank you guys for coming along with me. I still have to do my big batch burger patties, well, chicken burger patties, and I'm gonna probably grind up me some other meats to make burger patties with. So I'm into the bulk freezer meals, not as much, but enough to say that I'm in that community. I'm silly. But anyway, coming soon, burger making. Today is Sunday. We're having, I want some spaghetti. Tomorrow, my husband, he wants a ribeye. It's a holiday tomorrow. He's off, so I guess he's gonna eat him some ribeyes. I just want my spaghetti. I just crave spaghetti. Ever since I had that dang virus, all I want to do is eat comfort foods. Have I gained some weight? I believe so. It's not good for me. It's not good at all. I'm supposed to be losing weight. At my age, not supposed to be enjoying all this comfort food. But I'm in moderation. And some days, it's like I don't even feel like doing it. But anyway, this is about me, this beautiful apple pie. And yes, it has Honey Nut Cheerios on it. And I'm going to finish putting the topping on here, put it in the oven, and I guess I'll show you the results when it's finished. Be back. Okay, Miss JENITA's apple pie is ready to go into the oven. Stay tuned. Loving it. It got a little overcooked. All right, Miss JENITA out. Thanks for your support. Don't forget to like. Tell me what number your like is. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the video if you want. And also hit the notification bell. Looky loos, pass it by, trolleys. How y'all doing? Don't forget to subscribe. And let me know if y'all got a video up. And let me know to come and watch it. All right? Thanks for your time. Don't give me 2 minutes of your time. It's fine for me. All right, bye. Guys, I almost forgot to mention, did you guys hear about Starbucks has I think it was shared 300,000 bottles of Starbucks vanilla frappuccino is being recalled because it contains glass. Have any of you bought any of this, and have you heard about the recall? This is some serious stuff. Drinking glass. Say so in the comment if you guys heard about this recall. This is some serious business. All right, y'all.